Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's Curlyheadkasia here. How y'all doing? So today's video is going to be me making my boyfriend chicken Parmesan. And I've never made it before. And I watched a bunch of different people making it. And I'm not following anyone's recipe to a T, by the way. I'm working with what I have. I'm excited. I love cooking. And yeah. And I do want to address that the reason why I haven't uploaded in forever is because my grandma passed away in 11/11, and it changed my life. Hardest thing I've ever been through. And yeah, I'm still grieving, so that's why I kind of like didn't want to upload for a while because it's still hard for me to talk about. But at the same time, I have to say something because like somebody you love dying is like never easy, So that's that. Rest in roses, Grandma. I love you so much. But yeah, it's a Tuesday, by the way. Let's look at the time. It won't let me see the time. What the heck? Okay, whatever. I think it's like almost 2 o'clock. And yeah. So in this bowl that I prepared is 2 eggs, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of salt, some minced garlic, and pepper. And you can obviously measure these out, but I'm not going to measure anything because I don't really care that much. But yeah, this is what you need later too as well. Some onion and your sauce and breadcrumbs. So I put my raw chicken in this bowl. I'm only using 3 chicken breasts. We're going to let this marinate for like 10-15 minutes. Alright, so I'm just going to take my tongs. Take it out here. Looks so good. Okay, so we put it in the breadcrumbs. And I'm just gonna take a spoon and we're just gonna try not to make a mess. Pack it on there as much as you can. We're gonna take our tongs again, flip it, check the other side, make sure the other side's covered. And I think our oil is ready. Just kidding, she's not really ready, but we'll put her on there anyway, okay? I'm gonna do the same to these 2 in here. Oop, she's popping. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, do the same to this one. Oof. Making a big mess, but it's okay. It's all good in the hood, right? All right, I'm gonna do the same to the other one. You guys get the memo, okay? And here's our one in the oil. Those starting to heat up now, so I gotta kind of speed up the process now. I'm gonna put them in the breadcrumbs like I said, put them right in the oil, and let's go. Starting to fry. I'm gonna do this one probably last just because I don't want to overcrowd the pan, but y'all, it smells pretty dang good. And by the way, I have my stove on medium, so yeah, looking pretty dang good. I'm so excited. Sorry guys, I keep saying that, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, so in your pot you want to get some oil, onion, garlic, and then you want to add your sauce. We're just going to use this one like I said earlier. I'm not going to add too much, maybe like a quarter. Just kidding. I put a lot more than I thought. Just spread it around. Smells so good. Sorry guys. Trying to do my thing and record. A lot of people said to add sugar, but I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna add some pepper. By the way, this one's almost done. Okay, I already opened this pepper, but I don't know. Here. Pepper. A little bit of salt. We're gonna stir again. It smells so good. So I put my sauce on the chicken breast. And all I had is sliced cheese. And this is cheddar white cheese. Obviously use Parmesan if you have it, but I don't have it. But it's still gonna be as good. And I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. And I'll see y'all when it's done. Y'all, look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. I just put a little bit of parsley on top. Honey. Sorry, I'm too excited right now. This looks so bomb. Alright, let's serve it. Alright, so I'm about to have my first bite. I'm so excited. I could use a little more salt. What do you think, babe?
So good.
Oh, your butt crack's hanging out. Pretty good for my first time. I should add more salt next time, though. Maybe some more cheese, too. Okay, one more bite. Let's get some cheese on there. Chicken's nice and soft, easy to cut. I have to use the block cheese, not a sliced. By the way, some cheese in there. It just reminded me of lasagna for a second. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna finish eating this. It's so good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And comment below anything else you guys want me to make. Because I really do love cooking, to be honest. And yeah. I'll see y'all later. Follow me on Instagram at Curlyheadkasia. And yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout.